Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is just going to be a normal week in my life. Monday, tomorrow is actually some holidays, so we get the day off. So that's really nice, but everything else I think is like a normal week. I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's get started.
Shine so bright, you might go blind, blind, blind. When I walk through, they close their blinds. I'm gonna show off, I know it's time. I am my price, don't it look nice? You look nice, don't it? I bet we could roll out. When I show up, I show out. Didn't know then, but I know now. Best kept secret, but you know now. Take a look what I started.
It's Tuesday, September 5th. Class literally just got out. I'm walking out to my car now. I'm gonna head home. I finished basically everything, which was good on my part. I just have to turn something in tomorrow, and then I'll be done. Because I didn't know how to turn it in correctly, and I'm not losing it because then I'll have to redo it. So I'm gonna head home, and then we have to go to the dentist. So I'll see you there. I don't know how well you can see me. Probably pretty well. This is my outfit. I was wearing this black bodysuit with this black raincoat, my black bag, black jeans, and my black sneakers. I was very hot today. It was like 100, 190, 100. Now we have to go get ready to go to the dentist. Okay, hey, it is like 12:20, so I'm gonna head to bed. I have to get ready though. My glasses came today. I can show you guys. I don't really know what to think of them. They're also a new prescription, so there's that to get used to. This is the case. This is them. I wanted to try these out with my last kind, but I didn't. This is what I have right now. Just like the sides, and only the frame is clear. Okay. So the glasses part is a little bigger on this one than it was on my old one. See? A little more square. And they fit really good. But because they're new prescription, my eyes are having crazy hard trouble seeing. I feel like I can't see. And so I'm gonna have to wear them tomorrow to get used to it. And I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Good night. Hello. It's Wednesday, the 6th. Hold on, let's pop in here for a minute. Where there's no one to interrupt us. I'll talk to you. What great lighting. What are they doing? Today, we're wearing our shirts for some reason. I can show you them. We're supposed to wear black pants with them, but it's not communicated that we're wearing these today, so not really many people wore the purple pants. I'm not wearing my black sneakers today. I'm wearing my white sneakers. This is the shirt. It makes you look real snatched. See, that's a little logo.
Girls like me don't cry. Girls like me pretend that we don't cry.
that was the week. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to come back for next week's video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.